Today, we're diving into a cool trick, turning video content into readable guides with the help of ChatGPT. This is a game changer for anyone looking to maximize their content's reach. Let's get started. Step 1 is grabbing your video transcript. By the way, I've done the same step-by-step tutorial for my previous video right here. So if you're familiar in doing this, you can proceed to the next step, which is right here in this timestamp. If not, here's what you should do. First, go to the video page from YouTube, which is where I am right now. Then you scroll down right here to the video description. Then click More to expand the description. Next, keep scrolling down until you look for the Show Transcript option, which is right here. Just right here. By the way, this is usually found just below the video or in the options menu, depending on your interface. Then, clicking Show Transcript will open a transcript window beside the actual video. Here, you'll see all the captions from the video along with timestamps, as you can see right here. So, if you want to remove the timestamps, click the three dots in the transcript window right here. Then, you select Toggle Timestamps to hide the timestamps itself. There we go. Now, you'll only see the captions, which makes it easier to copy and use. Then, you click and drag right here to select the entire transcript. Then you start from the top, then scroll all the way to the bottom, ensuring you've selected all the text, just right here. Then you either right-click and choose Copy, or simply press Ctrl+C, or CMD+C on Mac users to copy the text. Then, there we go. Once copied, then proceed to the ChatGPT page and paste the copied transcript in the prompt input here. And with that, this will be your base text for creating your guide. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Now that we have our clean transcript without timestamps, let's turn this into a structured readable guide using ChatGPT. We'll start by organizing the content into sections. So, we'll use a few prompts to help structure and format the content. For example, you can start with this prompt here, the one I put together, like, please break this transcript into sections with appropriate headings. ChatGPT will analyze the content and suggest a structure based on the prompt that I put in the input right here. So let's go. So as you can see, here we go that ChatGPT has divided the transcript into several sections, each with a heading right here that makes the content easier to follow. Next, we'll add some formatting to enhance readability. You can use prompts to create lists, emphasize key points, and more. Use a prompt like, here we go. Please format this text with bullet points for lists and bold text for important points. Let's just say I want to use this paragraph of text right here. So you can copy that, then paste this one below so that it could be more specific for ChatGPT to generate much easier. With this helps to highlight the main ideas and make the guide more engaging. So let's send it over. ChatGPT will format the text accordingly. Here, you can see the lists that are now in bullet points and key points are in bold, making the guide more visually appealing and easier to read. If you need to add examples or further clarifications, you can prompt ChatGPT, like asking for an example to illustrate a certain point from the guide that ChatGPT had generated for you, or ask to clarify a certain section with more details. For example, here's what I prompted right here. Please add an example to illustrate this point about, let's say what I'd be picking, like the modern Olympic Games. Let's say this section right here. Modern Olympic Games. To further highlight and be specific with ChatGPT, you can just highlight this here, then click the reply option here. There we go. And let's hit enter and see how ChatGPT would provide with the results. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT has been able to provide a relevant example to enhance your guide. This ensures that your guide is comprehensive and easy to understand. And finally, ensure your guide flows logically and is easy to follow. Review the formatted guide to ensure everything is correct. Make any necessary adjustments to improve clarity and coherence. For instance, if you need to reorganize the content, you can prompt ChatGPT with, "Please reorganize these sections to improve the flow of the guide." There we go. So this helps ensure that the information is presented in a logical order. There we go. So as you'll see here, ChatGPT is able to refine every detail from your guide with ease. This attention to detail will make your guide more effective and user-friendly. And that's about it. You've successfully transformed your video into a comprehensive, structured guide using ChatGPT.